Hi Sagatot and hi everyone. Today I would like to present a teaching module for English subject entitled Descriptive Text. This module is designed for grade 8 student at SMP Negeri 2 Tanjung Pinang for the 2025 until 2026 school year. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Gabriela Fiona Catherine Duka. Now I explain about background of the module. This teaching module focus on helping students understand and use descriptive text in English. Descriptive text is important because it helps students describe people, animals, places, and objects clearly. The learning activities are student-centered and encourage active participation, collaboration, and creativity. Next, I will explain about learning objective. At the end of the lesson, students are expected to, number one, understand the purpose of descriptive text. Number two, identify the generic structure, which consists of identification and description. Number three, recognize language features such as adjective and simple present tense. Number four, answer reading comprehension question. And the last, write a short descriptive paragraph using correct structure and grammar. Next, time allocation and pace. This lesson is conducted in 80 minutes, which is to learning hours. It is designed for PhD in the Merdeka curriculum. The lesson is divided into opening activities, main activities, and closing activities. Now, activity steps. Pre-reading activity. In the pre-reading stage, the teacher builds students' background knowledge. The teacher shows several pictures of people, animals, or places and asks prediction questions such as, who is this? Or what do you think it looks like? Students brainstorm adjective and share their ideas. This activity helps students prepare vocabulary before reading the text. Next, while reading activity part 1. In this text, students focus on identifying the generic structure of descriptive text. They read a given text and label the identification and description parts using colors or codes. This activity helps students understand how a descriptive text is organized. While reading activity part 2. Next, student work on reading comprehension. They answer several questions based on the text and discuss their answer with a partner or in groups. The teacher monitors the discussion and provides guidance when needed. Now, pause reading activity Part 1. Language features. After reading, students analyze the language features of descriptive text. They underline adjective, simple present verbs, and pronouns found in the text. Students then complete a feature chart table. This activity helps students understand how language is used in descriptive writing. Next, post-reading activity part 2, text production. In this text, students apply what they have learned. They write a short descriptive text paragraph consisting of 5 to 7 sentences. The topic can be a person, an animal, or a place. Students may share their work with their classmate or partner. Now, a reflection. At the end of the lesson, students are asked to reflect on their learning. They answer questions such as what was easy and what was difficult. This reflection helps students become more aware of their learning process. Okay, next, C, learning outcomes, TP and CP alignment. This module is aligned with the capaian pembelajaran and tujuan pembelajaran. Students are expected to understand and produce descriptive text that clearly describe people, places, or objects using appropriate language features. Next, D is profile pelajar Pancasila or Pancasila student profile. This learning model supports the Pancasila student profile, especially number one is critical thinking through text analysis. Number two, creativity through writing activities. Number three, communication through discussing and presentation. And the last, collaboration through pair and group work. Okay, next, E, differentiation strategy. Content is provide extra vocabulary list for struggling learners. Next process is peer support during writing and reading text. Tasks. Uh, Three, product fast learners write longer text with 3+ description details per feature. Next, F, learning materials. Uh, A, definition, purpose, and type of descriptive text. B, generic structure. C, language features. D, reading text and comprehension question. E, practice and question descriptive text. Learning activity needs. Number one, opening 10 minutes about greeting and attendance. Teacher introduce topic. Diagnosis, dia, diagnosis test using 5 multiple choice question about descriptive text. And the last, motivation, show example picture of a cat and describe brief file. Okay, next, main activities, 60 minutes. Activities is student learn the purpose, structure, and language feature of descriptive text. Method is guided learning time 5 minutes. And reading activities, uh, for example, my strike hate text with comprehension question is a method is and question is called descriptive text writing 20 minutes. And the last, peer feedback using simple checklist per 10 minutes. And next, three closing 10 minutes. Student present in short form. Uh, Teacher give feedback. Pause, test, short writing text. And the reflection question is, what do you learn today? What do you learn today? Okay. Now G assessment. There are types of assessment in this module. Number one, A, diagnostic assessment at the beginning of the lesson. B, formative assessment during the learning process through peer feedback. And C, summative assessment at the end where student write a descriptive paragraph. So this is Daftar Pustaka. E, tools and learnings recourse resources. A, PPT about descriptive text. PDF, module materials provided by student. Paper or notebook, and online dictionary if available. Learning worksheets. Text about write a descriptive text about your best friend, your favorite, or your favorite pet, or a place you like. Guidelines is identification who or what is being described. Number two, description, appearance plus characters, and special features. Now, a sample reading text plus question about my stray cat, and then Rio Island. Okay, this is about teaching modules uh, about descriptive text SMP Negeri 2 Tanjung Pinang. And in conclusion, this teaching module helps students develop their reading and writing skill in English. It encourages activities learning and supports students in producing descriptive text effectively. Thank you for your attention. That's my explanation, and thank you. Goodbye.